What's happened? I know I'm so late today. We were in meetings all day. Meetings, phone calls, name it. It was happening. Let's get ready. Let's do it. I actually want to do a very soft smoky eye. We're going to get wild, but not too wild. It's going to be the softest version of a smoky eye. I also don't have a lot of time to get ready. Please forgive me. Another business meeting this evening. I sound so fancy, but I assure you, I would like to stay in this robe and drink coffee, but I have to go. So we are going to start with clean canvas. Ben was telling me about a belt crisis he is having in there.
I don't know if I define it as a crisis.
It's a belt crisis. He's wearing an all black outfit and he forgot a black belt. And I say that, but he was like, oh, I forgot a black belt. That's literally it. We are going to start with some clean canvas, but I'm just going to apply this. It's going to sneak around a little bit here on my lid, but that doesn't matter. But I'm not going to apply it on my lid because we're going to use something else for there. So let's just take that all the way up to our brow bone. Okay, I can't get captions to load right now. I don't know what's going on. It was loading and now I can't get it to load. I'm going to keep trying, but if you're not seeing captions after this, please forgive me. I cannot get them to load right now. Okay, so we're gonna use this, but we're gonna use the tiniest amount. By the way, City Color's having a sale. Let me go get a screenshot and the link. Look at how spooky it is. Look at the bat. Look at it, 20% off site-wide. Definitely get this. I talk about this all the time. I love their bases. Their colorful bases are so amazing. There's so much. The liners, the water-activated liners. I mean, y'all see me use it all the time. Definitely get the very colorful palette too. There's so much, and 20% off. Okay, there's the link. I'm excited for y'all to shop the sale. Okay, so we have it here, and we're gonna pick it up on a C31. And it's okay if it turns a little gray. It is gonna mix with that base, but it's still gonna be a nice dark base to add dimension. And we're just gonna press that on, but we don't want it to come out of the fold of our eye. We can have it come out a little bit here for shading, but I don't want it to come out here too far. It can come up a little bit later, but I would prefer the shadow instead of the base. But let's take it all the way over this way. And I'm gonna get a link for this exact color. It's so good. Now let's grab this Artist Couture palette and we're gonna start to warm this up. Whenever we do smoky eyes, warm it up. If you're afraid of it and you're going, wow, this is absolutely terrifying, warm up that crease. Look how pigmented that shadow is. We're gonna start to transition this. Start to tap that in. Tap it over this way. Now I'm gonna pick up a little bit more of that same shade and just bring it up a smidge higher. Also trust the process, but I'm sure most of you know how to do that by now. Smoky eyes are a huge trust the process situation. And I want to give you another tip. I feel like what happens is this inner part here starts to get very messy, and that's what cleanup later is for. So don't worry about it. We're gonna get to it. Now, I should be getting ready a lot faster, but I can't do this. I have to be here for you. We're gonna grab this shade, and now we're gonna transition this. Just continue to warm that up. You can see what just that little bit of warmth did. It just kind of smoothed everything. So I want to let you know this is a very spicy price palette, but I reach for it all the time because it just has the most beautiful accent colors ever. And let's just take a little bit of that and just apply it in the center. And now my lid looks wet. Oh, I love it. All right, let's do a quick wing. It's actually really easy to do a wing with the smoky eye because all of that dark shadow kind of hides any imperfections. But adding a wing does give some really nice definition. Okay, my friends, unfortunately I am gonna hop off and have to do my skin, but I'll be back so we can fix all of that. And these are Tati Lashes, half lashes in Butterfly Effect. So pretty. So I have on Estee Lauder Double Wear, and I'm gonna grab an E29 and whatever's left on the back of my hander, and by that I mean way over here where there's hardly any. And we're gonna start to tap this through here. And the reason I start here is because I really and truly just want the smallest amount here on my brush. Picking up some more. And just tap that all the way across. So this is the concealer that I put on. I talked about this yesterday, and I saved all of that to my saved highlights as well. This concealer, y'all. This concealer. I felt like getting wild, so we're gonna do a little bit brighter under eye this evening. Since we're going out in the nighttime, I'm using my Huda Cherry Blossom. And I'm gonna set the center of my face with this one. So I'm actually using the cake liner again. I have my brush a little bit wet, the Mob Beauty one. And I'm just pressing that underneath here. Okay, now we're really gonna tie everything together. We're actually gonna use our bronzer. I used my Gucci bronzer on my face, but just press a little bit of that through here. And then I'm gonna take some on the tip of the brush here, and then we're just gonna smudge this as well. The bronzer really brings everything together. All right, let's just add a bunch of this blush. And then we're using a C41, of course. Take a little bit there. We've got some old school Justin Bieber going on here. Let's use our Wet n Wild dark pink frost. All right, this lip. That lipstick is so good, y'all. It's 99 cents. This is Anywhere Caffeine. God bless you.
Sorry.
This makeup is giving updated 90s. Okay, I have to go get dressed. I love you so much. And remember, Saturday and Sunday I don't do the story tutorials, but I'll still be around. I love you.